Yo, 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 welcome to another episode of Get Your Foot in the Door, Season 2, Episode 3. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. This is a series where I show you guys behind the scenes look at my lead generation, reaching out to new clients and trying to find new work. I'm at a point where I'm in my business where I'm in between work. You know, the holidays are usually slow down a little bit for me, so this is something I got to put in time and reach out to some new clients. So figure I'd give you guys, little look through the back end and see how I do it. This business I'm about to reach out to, I'm just going to leave them a voice message on Instagram. The person who runs their Instagram is the person that I would like to talk to. It's a dog kennel training product place. They go through a ton of customers, I can see, because they have a high frequency of reviews on Yelp. And the recent reviews aren't that great. So anyways, yada yada, whatever. There's a few things that I can touch on to benefit them. But I'm just going to go ahead and reach out and leave an initial message. Hey, what's up, Canine Loft? I really like the content you guys are putting out. I'm a dog lover myself. I've worked with a lot of kennels and grooming companies, mobile grooming companies. I'm actually a partial owner of a mobile grooming company called Pago. And I'm in charge of all the content creation and stuff like that, and I'd love to work with you guys if you're looking to expand the amount of content you guys are doing and the type of content you guys are doing. I really like the videos and the reels that you're already putting out, but if you're looking to work with another creative, if it's something you guys are open to, would love to chop it up and just see how I could help you guys out. So if you're interested, go ahead and reach out to me on here, or you can call me on my phone or text. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Quick little 55-second, I haven't done this in a while, but I just hopped in there and did it. So let's see what we got next. I got this old list from like years ago that I never ended up calling, so I'm just gonna go through this list. So first thing I'm gonna go look them up on Apple Maps. Okay, this is actually like a big franchise, it looks like.
Core Power Yoga. Our call center is currently closed. Please call back Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Alright, so they're not even answering the phones on the weekend.
Peace Galore, this is Ryan. How can I help you?
Hey Ryan, I'm calling from a social media company. I do social media photos and videos. I was wondering if you guys were interested in working together on any of that.
We're going to have you give our corporate office a call.
Okay.
And that phone number is 1-800. You want to give them a call tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, thanks so much for the info.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Have a good day, Ryan. Bye. Cool, so I got the corporate number for this business, but they're not open today, so I'm just going to take note. Probably call them tomorrow.
Thank you for calling Sharky's Wood Fired Mexican Grill. We are currently closed.
They won't let me leave a message?
Thank you for calling Sharky's Wood Fired Mexican Grill. We are currently closed.
They won't even let me leave a message. All right.
Hello, you've reached Dr. Montague's Exchange. This is Sam. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm a filmmaker. I'm a filmmaker specializing in social media marketing. I was wondering if you guys would be interested in any sort of collaboration for your business.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. The office is closed. You've reached the answering service. They're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Can I leave a message?
Sure. One moment. Okay, your first name
Roman
and your last name.
Gonzalez.
All right?
Correct.
And which doctor are you leaving the message for?
Mordecai? Dr. Mordecai?
His doctor?
I'm interested in helping with video production on his social media.
I'm going to put you on a brief hold. Just one moment.
No worries.
The message has been sent to the office.
Okay, thanks so much.
Have a nice day.
You too, bye. That was weird. It kind of like, I thought it was a computer, but I guess it was. I think that was a real person. I don't know. All right, next.
Sorry, this mailbox is full and cannot accept any.
Hi, my name is Roman Gonzalez. I am a local Los Angeles filmmaker specializing in social media content. Huge fan of you guys and would love to work with you if you're open to it. It's completely free to for my time to discuss, ways that we can work together, whether it be through Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Whatever it is, I do advertising and marketing, photo and video. So if you guys are interested in working together, I would love to work with you. And go ahead and give me a call back, or that I left them a message in my notes. Hi, my name is Roman. I am a local Los Angeles filmmaker specializing in social media content and marketing. Really big fan of you guys. Obviously, legendary venue. And I was just wondering if you guys would be interested in working together on some video content. For your social media, whether it be YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever. I'm really experienced in the space and I would love to work with you guys. If you guys are interested, please go ahead and give me a call back. My number is 621. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye. So I'm going to probably go back through, and after I call these people, I'm going to message them on Instagram as well, just to have that second touch of base. And maybe the person who's answering this call is also behind the Instagram and they'll see my face, yada, yada, whatever.
I can help you.
Hey, my name is Roman. I'm a local filmmaker specializing in social media marketing. I was wondering if there's anyone I could talk to about a collaboration with your guys' business.
Yeah, there's actually a person you could talk to, boss. I could give you an email you can send. This is one of our GM managers.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so this gentleman, his name is Pierre.
Okay.
You could.
Hey, what's up, man? Heard through the grapevine that you're in marketing. I talked to one of your clients, just reaching out to see if you'd be open to working on any content. I do photo and video content. I'm pretty talented as far as the quality and artistic side of things. So if you're open to working, let me know, man. Would love to team up and work with you and make some dope content.
This is Tiffany. How can we help you?
Hey Tiffany, my name is Roman. I'm a local filmmaker in Los Angeles, specializing in social media. I was wondering if there's anybody I could talk to, like a marketing director or something, who might be open to working on a production.
You would probably have to talk to our manager, but she is not in today. Your best bet would be to send us an email, and I could forward it to her. And then you guys could set up a time to talk or have a meeting.
Sure. What's the email?
CANDICE.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Bye. Okay. I really hate doing the emails, sending the emails out. Let me see if I can even log into my business email.
Administrative offices. If you know the extension of the person you are trying to reach, you may enter that number at any time. In order to provide you with the best service, please choose from one of the following options. To speak with accounting, please press 1. To speak with last...
Hi, my name is Roman. I'm a local Los Angeles filmmaker specializing in social media marketing. Really love your guys' brand, and I was wondering if maybe you would be open to working on a video production together. If you are interested and this may fit your guys' needs, let me know. Once again, my name is Roman. I'm in video production, photo and video production. My number is 626-498-9321. Look forward to hearing from you. Again, my name is Roman, and my number is 626-498-9321. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Oh. I think he hung up on me. So, oh well. Hey, sorry to bother you. Hi, do you guys have a marketing department?
No. What can I help you with?
I'm a filmmaker specializing in social media. I was looking to see if you guys were interested in collaborating.
No, we're fine. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Have a good one. Hi, my name is Roman Gonzalez. I am a talented filmmaker from Los Angeles specializing in social media content production. I love your guys' brand. I would love to work with you guys. So if you are interested at all in beefing up your content on social media, go ahead and give me a call back, or text is fine as well. My number is. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye. I absolutely love your guys' page and your food. I would love to work with you on some content if you guys are open to it. I actually have an entire food page just dedicated to photos and videos of food. I'll go ahead and set it here. But once again, just love you guys, love your brand, love your food. Would love to work with you if the opportunity arises. Number posted, so I'll leave a message on here. Hey, I absolutely love you guys' products. I actually do a lot of social media content myself. That's my niche. That's what I do. And I'd love to team up with you guys and put out some, higher level video production, photo production content, some more consistent stuff, get you going on Reels, TikTok, YouTube, all that stuff. So if you guys are interested, I know you probably don't have all the time in the world to be focused on that stuff. I love your brand and I would love to work with you. Feel free to reach out. My cell number is 628-9321. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks. Hi, my name is Roman. I'm a Los Angeles filmmaker specializing in food, photo, and video. I was wondering if you guys were looking for any content for your social media for your plates.
We actually have someone handling social media at the moment, so we're not at the moment.
Okay. Would you be able to maybe connect me with them?
Sorry?
Would you be able to connect me with their contact?
Oh, they're not here at the moment.
Okay. All right. Do you know if they have like a brand or anything that I can contact?
You can try reaching out to them on Instagram.
Okay. What's their Instagram?
Just a Roman Sunset.
Oh, okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Bye. What's crazy is just in like the half a year to a year, like it's kind of transitioning to, I'm not even calling the office. They want me to reach out straight through Instagram because the person running their Instagram is who I would talk to. So, hey, I absolutely love what you guys are doing with your page. If you're looking to collaborate and get some more video production stuff done, expand into other platforms. I'm not sure how much of a presence you guys have on YouTube or TikTok or anything like that. You're doing a great job, by the way. But if you are looking to collaborate, we'll love to work with you. And let me know. My number is 626. I just want to say I absolutely love your guys' restaurant. Would love to work with you on some social media content. If you have any openings for YouTube content, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is, been doing it for a long time, and I'd love to work with you guys. So if you're open to it, go ahead and give me a call or text or reply to me on here. My personal cell number is 626-498. Hey Pips on La Brea. I just want to say I absolutely love you guys' venue. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate it. I'm actually a local filmmaker specializing in cinematography and photography on social media. If you guys are open to working together, I would love to help you beef up your social media content game on various platforms. If you're open to it, would love to have a chat on how I can maybe be of service. My number is 626. Hey, what's up? Just wanted to congratulate you guys on the awesome location. Really, really love your branding and everything. I'm actually a filmmaker specializing in social media. My name is Roman, by the way, if you can't see it from my page. But I really love your guys' brand. I've done tons of barber videos, and I would love to help you guys out with some higher quality video and photo production. If you guys are interested in collaborating on that at all, would love to work with you. We'll pull up and do the first consultation free. Not a problem. If you're interested, give me a call. My number is 626. Hey, you guys are awesome, and my parents have told me about you, and I've been coming for years. Really appreciate everything that you guys are doing for the community and the events you guys are still holding. So that being said, I am a local filmmaker. I would love to work with you on some higher quality visuals. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and reach back out to me here or give me a call. My number is 6. Sending them out. Took me about 2 hours to go through those leads. I got a couple decent warm leads maybe that I think I might be able to close. And I did 2 hours, quick little 2 hours. I'm going to try to integrate these 2 hours of lead generation every single day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, that wasn't so bad, was it? Appreciate y'all. Thanks for checking it out, man. Show some love. Hit subscribe. Drop a comment in the comments. Show some support. Share it with a friend. I appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace.